Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I'm going to do this really easy ombre nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this iridescent polish by Orly called Beautifully Bizarre, blue by Creative Play called Royalista, a mint by Pacifica called Minty Bikini, purple by China Glaze called Mix and Mingle, and a hot pink by Finger Paints called Dying to. Now that was a lot of colors, but using my Cici Sisi '06 nail plate, I'm going to apply all those colors onto this nail stamp design. I just thought that this design would be perfect to do a ombre look. Something about it just is, I just looked at it and thought ombre. Now the easiest thing about this is that you don't have to do the sponge design. All you do is add the colors and then mix them together with the scraper, but you don't want to overdo it. As you can see, I did it a couple of times just so I can blend it together and make the colors look like, they coexist with each other. Not that they're, different colors, that you can see the difference, the lines of where you put them at. It just blended together. You don't want to overdo it or you make it one whole color, and that's not what we want. We want an ombre. Now, as you can see, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails, and now I'm going to apply a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy and simple design to do. You can do it with any nail plates that you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.